In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, so when I click, it's turned white. That means that location is disabled. To enable it, tap on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to click on Location section over here, and use this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!